I'm heading to Superstore, guys. Superstore. Trying to get there before it closes. I have to go all the way around to get into the Superstore. Entering to the Superstore. I think I'm gonna have to take one of these carts. Up, and away we go. Gonna get some fruits and vegetables. Guys, I like these plants. Which one should I get? Let me see. Which one does good indoor? And those are croton plants. I like this fruit. Spring cheese dip. Look at those lobsters, guys. Look at the lobster. Live lobster. One day I should cook live lobster. Look how costly seafood is, guys. Look at that one. $22. Very expensive. Sugar. Kids wear are so cute. Look how cute this one is, guys. I think I'm gonna get one of these pups.
Thank you for using self-checkout.
So I'm finished with Superstore. I came in here, guys, to get only a yogurt, and I end up buying other things. Look at that iron bird. Okay, the wing knife for with on a whole wheat bun. Oh, okay. So the whole grain with the chicken, the spicy chicken. So guys, I finally made it home, and I'm gonna make some ginger tea and enjoy my Submarine. I haven't had Submarine in the longest while. So guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And this is what, the veggie, and this is the chicken. First, I'm trying this chicken. It's a special, guys, so you know, I thought I'd try the spicy chicken, I think. And there it is. Chicken with tomatoes, and you say what you want on it, what type of dressing. And this is veggie, so I'm gonna make some ginger tea and have this. So guys, I'm gonna taste the chicken here. Good spicy chicken, and you know the other one is veggie. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.